Are you a DJ or just someone who loves powerful speakers and often uses PA systems? Today I'll show you, step by step, how to safely clean professional speakers without damaging them. Many of my viewers think that the systems from my Look Inside videos get broken and just thrown away afterwards, but that's a misunderstanding. 99.55% of the speakers and amplifiers I open later are cleaned and reassembled so they can continue to deliver great audio for many years. Last time I showed how to clean and take care of home audio hi-fi systems. So today I'll show you how you can safely clean your PA loudspeakers as well. The first step is to disconnect the speaker from power, if it's an active one with a built-in amplifier. Then unscrew the front grille. Sometimes one of the screws may be hidden under a sticker. When all screws are removed, carefully take off the grille without breaking anything, because you'll need to put everything back together later. I can already see how dirty the speaker is. Something is even stuck to the grille. There's a lot of dust from hundreds of parties. Lots of memories. To get this job done, you'll need a slightly damp cloth to pick up the dirt more easily. Plastic parts can be cleaned without worry. It's different with the woofer cone, diaphragm, dust cap, and surround. These parts are made from composite materials and are not designed for heavy moisture. So don't scrub them for long. Just gently wipe the dust with a very lightly damp cloth so you don't soak the driver. Don't forget to clean all the gaps, grooves, and the bass reflex ports. These speakers haven't been cleaned in at least 10 years. Hopefully they will now last another 10. Clean the speaker grill as well. Nice. The speaker is now clean like new and ready for some nice parties. What do you think? Do dusty speakers sound worse, and why? Thanks.